These 4-ingredient dumplings are perfect for this fiery soup because it just like soaks up all those lovely Moroccan flavors. All I've really used is some garlic and onions, which I started to kind of cook softly, and then I added cumin and coriander spices, and then some tomato paste and tinned tomatoes, and then kind of loosened it with some vegetable stock, but you can use chicken stock, and a nice fiery harissa paste. And the most important is the mixed pulse soup mix. And then I made my favorite dumplings, and I'm saying my favorite because they are inspired by my grand's dumplings. We used to have them on every stew and casserole possible, and it's really just flour, baking powder, milk and salt, and then you just mix it up, and just as the soup is cooked you just pop dollops and then let them simmer and double their size in the soup. You really need to make this spicy, fiery Moroccan style soup, especially with those fluffy little dumplings on top. If you're looking for some more inspiring recipes, go to the soup feature, which I did in the latest Taste magazine.